In this guide, you will learn how to fix Roblox mobile crashing or force closing issue. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is force close the Roblox app and relaunch it. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, check for updates in the App Store or Play Store. Launch it, search for Roblox. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check the storage in your device. So close this, launch your settings app. Go to General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, clear cache for the Roblox. Search for Roblox, click on offload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and click on reinstall app. Next up, check for your device software update. For that, head back. Click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Finally, if Roblox is still crashing, check whether Roblox servers are experiencing outages or maintenance, since server-side issues can sometimes cause games to close unexpectedly. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.